Okay, so this is us halfway through our hour-and-a-half ride to Conil de la Frontera. There it is in the distance. Quite a nice ride actually, mostly flat, with of course the occasional very steep up. Okay, tonight we've got curry. So what's in there?
There is cumin seeds, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick and chili flakes.
Looks tasty. And then we have onions and ginger.
Onions.
Oh no, ginger's another one. There's the ginger.
Just onions in there, and then ginger and what's the other stuff?
Garlic.
Garlic in there. It's supposed to be 6 cloves, but I think I did 4.
Depends how big the cloves are.
Massive.
A tin of tomatoes.
A tin of tomatoes.
And in there is looks like sugar.
That's got, there is the sugar, there is garam masala, and there's turmeric.
Nice. And of course, a small lump of chicken.
And then needs some hot chicken stock to.
Hot chicken stock.
I haven't made yet.
And we're going to do that on the Kadak. Looks good. The Kadak's ready. With, of course, our special light. Those LEDs. Quite light, really. Lighting up the oranges. So first of all, we start the Kadak out of olive oil. There it goes. 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Carefully measured. Oil's smoking, nice and warm, so we put in the chili flakes and all that lot.
Stir them around a bit.
Stir them around a bit. Yeah.
Put the onions in.
Put the onions in. That works well. I think it's the water that causes the sizzling, of course. No, we'll stir that around. Goes till they're golden, okay. So that's going golden, believe it or not. Can't really tell in this light. But now we're going to add the ginger and garlic. With water, so it's going to fizzle. Okay. Stir that around a bit. Cleaned up the lens of the camera. And finally, not finally, quite a long way, sugar and turmeric goes in. That's not got water if it doesn't fizzle quite so much. Oh, the smell is eat that now. Okay, that needs stirring for a bit. So now we're going to add tomatoes. 1 tin of tomatoes, and stir that in, and then we're going to cook that until it turns to a paste. Okay, as a bit of an aside, today after we got back from our bike ride we were standing around talking to some people on the site, and for the first time since the 14th of December we had a little bit of rain. Hardly a lot, but it made the ground, well, bits of the ground, damp. That's about it really. We're expecting a lot more later in the week though. Being honest. Right, now we're going to bring the chicken out. Chicken will go in, and then it'll get coated in this before we add the chicken stock. So leave it to cook.
There we go.
Okay, that's the chicken done, so now we're going to add the stock. Here we go. In it goes. Lovely. Basically that now sits and cooks, stirring it occasionally, especially in this contraption, until it's done. Probably need to turn the heat up in a minute,
Add some water
and
if it needs.
if we need to, we can add some more stock or more water. Really looking forward to this. Should be good. Yep, it's steaming nicely. Still a bit wet. But with Julia's help, or most of Julia's work, there she is. We have a curry that's to die for. About right to me.
Lovely.
Looks lovely, perfect. From all sides, short back sides there. There we go. So now put it in the bowl. We're going to use pasta bowls because plates are inappropriate in a caravan. Okay, so here it is in a bowl, and what we do here is eat it with a bit of baguette. Not French baguette, because of course we're in Spain, but in France we'd use French baguette. Okay, so I'm going to leave you now because I'm sorry, but this is stopping me eating. My plan, as always, is to finish first so that I can have some of Julia's. You're going to she'll be too full.
Joking, isn't it?